Part 2 of walking my dog. Sing, Mom, sing. Well, hold up. Part 2 of walking my dog. Let's go, sing, Mom, sing. I mean, Rally. That's her nickname. Sing, Mom, sing. My electric scooter's just laying down over there. Y'all ain't seeing what number I am, what house number I am. Sing, Mom, sing. This way. That's what my house looks like. I did not leave my address. Hold up. Sing, Mom, sing. Dang. Okay. And just to let you know, part 3 of walking my dog is coming tomorrow. Rally, Rally, sit. Rally, sit. Rally, sit. Rally, sit. Rally, sit. Okay, you don't want to listen. Rally, sit. Sit. Hold up. See, she sit. Rally, shake. Shake my hand. Good job. Now let's go back into the YouTube video, Rally. If you get untangled. Let's go.